Okay, we're going, right? No. Right. So question 3. Use an algebraic method to find the square roots of and give your answer in the form. Right, okay, well what do we know about this? We know that the square roots of this are of the form x plus iy, such that x plus iy squared is 11 plus 12 root 5i. Okay, that's how we always set these up, isn't it? Because that means x plus iy is the square root of 11 plus 12 root 5i. So we need to multiply out this bracket. Okay, well that would be x squared, x times x, plus x times y times I, plus another one of those, so 2xyi, plus I squared y squared. Now if you square I, you get minus 1. So that's minus y squared is 11 plus 12 root 5i. What we now do is we compare the real and imaginary parts. We say if we look at the real parts of this, x squared minus y squared is 11. If we look at the imaginary parts, 2xy is 12 root 5. And we've now just got simultaneous equations. They could appear on core 1 even, I guess. They might be a bit rough if they appeared on core 1, that's a bit mean. But what can we do? Y is 6 root 5 over x. We divide everything by 2x. And let's, no, I'm not going to do that. Let's sub y. X squared. I can't win. You groan if I do the joke, you groan if I don't do the joke. They're not even here. And you go,
damage is already done.
yeah. Right, x squared. When do you leave? X squared minus 180 over x squared is 11. Is that right? 6 root 5 squared is 180, isn't it? 36 times 5. Is it? Nobody's checking it. Okay. So x to the 4 minus 180 is 11x squared, giving us a stealth quadratic. A quadratic in x squared, which does factorise, doesn't it? 180 being 20 times 9. Thanks for that help, everyone. So x squared plus 20.
No.
X squared minus 20 times x squared plus 9. Thanks for the help, everyone. Is this right? Yeah. So x squared equals 20, or x squared equals minus 9. But the whole point of this is that x and y are real. So x squared equals minus 9, because x is real, has no solutions. So we're left with x squared being 20, giving us x is plus or minus the square root of 20. So plus or minus 2 root 5, and we're left with finding y. If x equals plus 2 root 5, y, remember y was 6 root 5 over x, so that's 6 root 5 over 2 root 5, which is 3. And if x is minus 2 root 5, y would be 6 root 5 over minus 2 root 5, which is minus 3, giving us 2 root 5 plus 3i, and minus 2 root 5 minus 3i as our two roots, and that's what we should have had. So that's pretty good. Very nice. And that's maths.